Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a high fiber, gluten-free instant breakfast recipe for weight loss. This gluten-free, quick and easy weight loss meal is a perfect breakfast for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes. The protein and high fiber will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss. This instant gluten-free meal is more or less like a soft roti, super easy to make and takes just under 10 minutes to prepare. And the best part is you don't need any side dish with this, and you can also carry to work as a lunchbox meal. And guys, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will get notified on your phone. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my chutney grinder, I'm adding in 4 to 5 shallots, also known as cherry ulli in Malayalam. Now the reason why I prefer to use shallots in my recipes is because it is rich in antioxidants, iron and folate. However, you can use 1/4 of an onion instead. Add in 1 green chilli or as per your taste, 4 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger. It really will help with digestion. Lots and lots of fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. Blend all this and keep this aside. Into a large bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of makka atta, also known as yellow cornmeal. Into that, add in half teaspoon ajwain. Lightly crush with your hands and then add it in. Ajwain helps to maintain digestive health, acidity, etc. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. A fat pinch of freshly ground black pepper powder to help the turmeric absorb faster into your body. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Now add in the ground ingredients. Add in half of an onion chopped. For some added flavor, I'm adding in chopped coriander leaves. Mix all this really well. Add in half cup water little by little and mix well. The dough should be of spreadable consistency. Divide the dough into 3 portions. Heat a cast iron tawa and reduce the flame to the lowest. Grease it with gingerly oil and then take 1 portion of the dough and spread it on the hot tawa with wet fingers. Or you can use a small spoon which is dipped in water to spread it out into a round roti. Cover and let it cook on low flame. After about 2 minutes, open the lid. Drizzle in a teaspoon of desi ghee. Other vegan options are wood-pressed coconut oil, groundnut oil or mustard oil. You can use any locally sourced wood-pressed oil from the place you live in. It's very important that you use a good source of healthy fat, as it not only helps to bring down the glycemic index but also helps in keeping you feel fuller for a longer time. The healthy fats also helps in assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. So those with vitamin D deficiency must try to include a good source of healthy fat like desi ghee or wood pressed oil in their diet. Now flip it over and let it cook on that side as well on low flame. Once done, flip it over and serve. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. This instant makka cheela can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's super filling and is gluten-free. Ideal meal to have if you have intolerance to gluten. Serve this instant tasty makka cheela with homemade pickle or any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy, filling and instant gluten-free cheela and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.